Let's see before and after adding 1.5-inch spacers to Jeep Wrangler. Will Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers make a difference? If you are interested in buying new offset rims for off-road touring, you may have run across 1.5-inch wheel spacers by spacing the wheel out about 38.1 mm. 1.5-inch spacers solve rubbing problems easily and quickly. The 1.5-inch Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are auto accessories that add more inner wheel clearance. Whether you are upgrading to wider tires or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing problems. Simply put, 1 inch to 2 inch is the best size range for Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers. If you want to have more accurate data, it is better to measure the wheel gap. By increasing track width, the contact points of the tires are enlarged, which result in more stability and smoothness. For most car mode lovers, these 1.5-inch Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are the easiest and most cost-effective way to get a more aggressive stance. Before installing wheel spacers for a Jeep Wrangler, it is important to check that the spacers have the correct size of the hub and bolt pattern for your Jeep Wrangler. Simply put, the 1.5-inch Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are almost the same as many low offset wheels. The best part is that a set of quality wheel spacers can provide a similar effect as offset wheels but cost less. Just like the wheels, forged aluminum is better than cast steel. BONOSS active cooling 1.5 Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are made of high-quality forged 606T6 and 705T6 aluminum alloy. After the unique super forging process, the strength, hardness, and toughness are greatly enhanced. Since aluminum alloy has good thermal conductive, the aluminum wheel spacers will dissipate brake heat better. BONOSS active cooling 1.5-inch Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape, these screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat discharge effect and increasing road safety. After installation, these 1.5-inch Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers become an essential part of your wheel combination. If you have any question about the Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers, leave your comment. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.